guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. It is almost the new year and I am so excited about the new year starting. This year especially, I feel like I have so many goals that I just want to like smash in 2019. But before the new year happens, I'm definitely celebrating the new year with the hubby. What we've been doing the past couple of years is just having a really nice dinner at home. Of course, I want to decorate like I always do and make it look super cute. That's what I'm sharing with you guys today. So I thought I would do like a New Year's tablescape, and I bought a lot of stuff that like I could reuse, and I'll kind of explain it to you. I'll kind of explain my thought process when I was buying all. I will start with the things that I already had. So look in your house, see if you have anything. The main colors for New Year's are black, gold, and silver. I feel like glitter, lots of glitter. So I found these like runners that I had. So I had this one from our wedding, and I don't remember, I must have had this one from something else, but they're old. I found them in my storage, and then I found some disco balls. I have this one. I mean, this is so old. I haven't used it in so long that like literally I opened the batteries and they were corroded. So what I'm thinking of doing is just like separating it and using this like maybe in the centerpiece or like around somewhere as decor. Then I had these old string lights, disco balls as well. The same thing happened. They were so corroded that I just snipped off like the battery pack and left them connected. I'm not sure if I'm gonna separate them or leave them connected, but I thought they'd be just like a nice little pop of silver in my like tablescape. I did hit up Target dollar spot, but oh my god, like everything was just already gone, which is crazy. I feel like I tried to go right after Christmas and it was pretty empty. I did get a couple of things. So for example, I got these beads with just little stars. And then I got these two little like champagne toppers, which I thought were really cute. You see all the decor that I have or I'm purchasing, none of it or very little of it will say the actual year, so I could just reuse it. I did buy a couple of things that say 2019 just because, I mean, it's, you know, 2019, but for the most part, everything else just like says Happy New Year or something like that. I did want to show you this other thing from Target. I'm not going to use it because I don't think it's matching like my theme for this little dinner we're having, but I thought it was super cute, and if you go to Target and see it, you could definitely use it for like other events. It's this like bubbly bar banner, and I love it because it's rose gold and black. I love rose gold everything, so I'll totally use this like maybe for a brunch or just like a girls night in party. If I host anything, I would totally use this. I did go to the dollar store, and I felt like I don't know, I didn't really like very many things there, but I did get one thing or two of the same thing. But I got this like boa, which, you know, you can just sprinkle as decor. So I might actually wear it. Oh, see, that looks super cute. I was looking in my closet to see if I had like a sequin top to wear, and I don't, which is so annoying, but I'm not buying anything. Okay, all the other stuff I bought was at Party City. They had a bunch of cute stuff, and it wasn't super expensive. Like I said, I'm gonna reuse all this stuff, so I don't feel like I'm gonna waste it. I bought a couple of hats. I got this hat, and I think it's just super, I'd actually wear this hat like on New Year's because I think it's super cute. I love top hats. The quality of it is really good, and I think this one was only like $5. I also got this little just party hat. I don't know if I'm a fan of these. Ugh. Sean was with me when I bought it, so I was like, okay. I mean, I don't like love these hats, but they're just, it's like a cone on your head. I don't know. I thought it was cute like as decor around the house. The next couple of items are just like those little blowouts, I guess is what they're called. And I got this one. I don't remember the price. I think it was like $6 or something like that. What I plan on doing with this one is like putting it in a glass jar as like decoration, and then maybe sprinkling some around the table. And then I bought two of these. I love like how tall they are, so I don't know, I have ideas for them. You'll see. It does also say Happy New Year on here, and I think these were $2 or $3. I did also just get like a paper hat, and I think this one's cute as well. Since there's 3 of us, I have like 2 top hats and that little like pointy hat. We'll make Callie wear that one. But I thought it was really cute. Or if we don't wear it, I was thinking of like taping this like so and using it as decor. I saw it like on Pinterest, I think. So it would make like a cute little centerpiece. Next, I got these like little fake champagne bottles. So they're all in like little wrappers. I took one out, but basically they're confetti party poppers. And so this is one of them. And what I'll do is put these on the table as well for decor. If we pop them, I will have to buy these again next year. So I don't know if we're gonna pop them, but we might pop a couple because I got 4 of them and I just think they're really cute. These were $2.99. The next item is a banner, and I'll just use this over my mirror probably in the dining area. And then I picked up these napkins. I'm not sure how I'm gonna set the table. I think I'm just gonna use my own plates. I didn't buy any special plates. I'll just use whatever I have. But I did buy these really pretty napkins. And then I saw this and thought, I have to have it. I love it. I'll use it every New Year. It's so cute. And it says, time to drink champagne and dance on the table. So I thought it was really cute. The only thing that I bought, and I actually bought this at Walmart because I ran into Walmart for some reason, I don't remember what, but were these little blow things. This is the only thing that says 2019 on there. So they're these, and they're also black and gold. That's everything I have for my little New Year's Eve haul. It kind of is a lot actually, but I'll definitely be able to store it in one little container, save it for next year. Now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the tablescape and my buffet table and show you guys how it turned out. Here's the finished product. I'm actually really loving it, you guys. I think it's so cute. And I went ahead and set it for 4 people just so it would look even though there's just gonna be 3 of us. But I wanted to show you guys kind of up close how I laid everything out and made it, I think, just look really festive and ready to ring in the new year. Here's a look at it from this angle. I took that tablecloth that I actually use those in my wedding and folded it 4 times to make it look like a table runner and just sprinkled everything all over the place, but I really love the way this looks. Over there I have the buffet table. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see it better, but I feel like the table is so close to it, it's hard for me to like get right on top of it. Here's a close-up look. I just have some twinkling lights in that decor piece that's always there. I use that black sequence table runner here just to give it a little glitter, and everything's just all set up. And then there's my little Happy New Year sign. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. I do want to wish every single one of you a Happy New Year, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. And I will talk to you guys next year. Love you. Bye.